Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back. I am excited. Today I finally got my hands on a press juicer. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time, specifically for juicing the pomegranates that I'm growing here in my backyard food forest. This has many applications, however. You can juice grapefruits, orange, lime, lemon, but the pomegranate, out of all the different types of fruits that you can hand press, is the hardest to get juice out of any other way, so this is going to come in handy. So this is the Slendor model, and it was actually quite affordable. It was around $50. So we're going to open this up. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, see what we got in here. And we will follow that up by putting this to work immediately. Alright, so they have this in different colors. I chose red. They had black, green, I think orange. Alright, so at first glance, wow, I'm very happy with this so far. I don't see any nicks in any of the paint. Seems to be rather hefty duty. Got the lever here, lever action. But yeah, feels quite solid. Came with some little Allen keys here if you need to make any adjustments. Also, little strainer. And the instructions. So this is how it works. You got this funnel here, and then you have what they're calling the screen. It's basically your filter there to hold back any seed or pith. And up at the top you can see how it fits over that filter just perfectly. So I'm going to wash this and then wipe this down very well. Then we'll get to trying this out. One thing I'm liking about this design already, this is going to be very easy to clean. Just going to use a little vinegar here up top. So there it is in its full beauty, ready to go. Right out the box, just had to do a quick cleaning there. Let's go harvest some pomegranates. Ah yes guys, can't tell you how excited I am to have some fresh homemade pomegranate juice. We got these beautiful pomegranates dangling off the tree here. That should be good for now. Alright, so all we're going to do is cut the pomegranate in half, and just look at that gorgeous homegrown pomegranate. Alright, so let's see how much juice we get out of one larger pomegranate. I'm just going to rotate this around a little bit because it's a larger pomegranate. I don't want to put too much pressure on this machine. I think it'd be better if I turn it this way for you. See what we've done so far. So I think when the shell starts to split, you've pretty much gotten what you can out of it. Well, it looks like there's still some more. So it did a pretty decent job for the most part. You can see, extracted all the juice. We've got a few arrows still left in there that look like some juice could come out, but if I press this anymore, it's going to completely fall apart. But that was my first try. Let's give it a go again here. Now, the thing is, you do have to support it because the leverage is so far off center. You got to kind of hold it down in the back. That one was much better. I'm just going to keep pressing this one without rotating it. Let's see what we got. Now, there's still a lot of arils in there that look like they have juice in them, so we'll do that rotation again. I'll say this is a very manual process. I could see how maybe some smaller statured folks could have a little bit of trouble getting all the juice out. But that being said, the design itself seems to be working just as advertised. I'm going to call that about 85–90%. Alright, so this pomegranate's a little smaller. Let's see how it does with more of a medium size. I think it's going to do better because that cup fully covers the entire pomegranate, so that might be the trick, is to use a more medium to small size pomegranate. Yes, that did a better job. We're more like 90% on that. So that's the key, guys. Now we'll try this smaller one, see how that does. I'm glad it's working out this way. I didn't plan it, but we did have one large, one medium, and one small. So this is the small pomegranate, completely covered by the top press here. So that is definitely the key there, my friends. They need to include that in the directions. I feel like the most juice came out of this small one, and it just completely crushed it down. So yeah, it's still got that same look, like there's probably a little juice left in there, but for the most part, that really pulverized it. Let's do that again. This should take us to the brim of the glass there. And it's so much easier to press the smaller ones. So going forward, that's what I'll be doing, utilizing the small pomegranates for juice. And I'm definitely not going to waste any of these leftover arils here. I'm going to go throw this out to my chickens. If you don't have chickens, the wild birds are going to dig this as well. Alright, so that quantity worked out just about perfect for my glass here. So overall, I'm going to give this manual press juicer a B. I think it performed just as advertised. Seems rather hefty duty, like it's going to hold up over time. Easy to clean. I've never had a homemade pomegranate juice, so I'm really looking forward to this. I've had pomegranate juice and plenty of pomegranates, but pomegranates are a very nutritious fruit, high in antioxidants, loaded with vitamins and minerals, and there is a myriad of associated health benefits attributed to this fruit. Now let's give this a try. Oh my goodness, that was so good. It's like a taste of summer here in the fall. There was a little bit of pulp in that sip, but I actually like it. I wouldn't want to strain that out. That tasted delicious. You can feel the life force energy just running through your veins. That is delicious. I'm a happy guy. Anyway, I hope you guys got something out of this video. If so, be sure to smash the thumb button. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. New uploads every week, sometimes every day, and I'm always giving you updates and showing you new things that I'm doing around here. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Have yourself a great rest of the day. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon.